Hi, grade 2. So this is for activity 33, your problem solving. So you're going to write in your math book the date, activity 33, and then you're going to work out your sums for A, B, C, D in your workbook, in that line book, and then you write the answer next to your number sentence in your red math book where this activity is. Okay, so A's number sentence we said will be 50, take away 15. So teacher wants to show you how we did it like last week. So A, I'm going to show you how to do it by breaking up both numbers. B, I'm going to do it by only breaking up the one number. Then you choose which one you would like to use to work out your answers for A, B, C, and D. Okay, so remember for A, if you break it up, if you break both numbers up, I want you to take one color and underline your tens. So in 50, you'll underline the 5, and in 15, you'll underline the 1. Okay. Then I want you to take a different color and underline the units. So in 50, you're going to underline the 0 because there's no units. And in 15, you're going to underline the 5. Okay. Remember, then the second step is you're going to make brackets. Okay. So you're going to make one bracket with a plus, minus, because remember it's 50, take away 15. You make a second bracket, plus. Okay, now you're going to write the tens in units. Okay, you're going to break the two numbers up into tens and units. So the first one, the 10 is 50. And in the second, for number 15, the 10 is 10. Okay. Then you're going to write the units down with your color you underlined it with. So the unit in 50 was 0. Okay. And the unit in 15 was 5. Okay. So now you've got your brackets there. 50 plus 0, take away 10 plus 5. Okay. Now you're going to take away the tens from each other. And then you're going to take away the units from each other. Okay. But if you look there, you can't say 0 take away 5. Okay, so you need to borrow from the 10. So 50 is going to change to 40. Okay, because you're borrowing 10. And then you add the 10 to the unit. So it will be 40 take away 10 and 10 take away 5. Okay. So now you add the tens, you take away the tens from each other. So you're going to write in your first bracket, you're going to write 40, take away 10, plus, because you have to plus them back to each other. Then you're going to do the units, 10 take away 5. Okay, so 40 take away 10 is 30, plus 10 take away 5 is 5. So 30 and 5 will be 35. Okay, so remember that if you have a 0 in the first bracket, you can't take away the number on that side because you have nothing to take away. Okay, and you can't say 5 take away 0 because the 5 is in the second bracket, not in the first one. So if you've got a 0 here, you need to borrow 10. Okay, so the 10 there will go 10 less. So 50 changes to 40. And then you add the 10 to the 0. So it will be 10 take away 5. Okay, so B, teacher is going to do by only breaking up the one number. So let's see if you remember how to do this one. Okay, so 25 is going to stay where it is because we're not going to break up 25. Okay, take away, then you make your bracket with a plus. Okay, so 13, if you break it up into tens and units, the 1 will be the 10 because it stands for 10, and the 3 will be the unit. So you're going to write 10 plus 3. Okay, then you're first going to say 25 take away 10. Okay, so I want you to write down 25. And we're first taking away the 10, take away 10. Okay, 25 take away 10 is 15. Then we are going to take away the unit, and the unit is 3. So the 3 is going to move down, so take away 3. And 15 take away 3 is going to give you 12. Okay, so you can decide which method you would like to use by breaking up both numbers into tens and units, or only breaking up the one number. Okay, please shout if you don't understand anything. I love you. Bye.